all glued up, ready for the ball. So yesterday we took our rough milled fir here and we ended up milling it up so that we could make these false beams. We cut 245s on them and planed them down, jointed them. So today we're gonna end up gluing up 2 more beams, and we're going to put some biscuits in it to help us with our glue up process, and we'll show you more of that in just a minute. So what we end up doing is we flush up the one end, and then we're just putting marks on the back side so that we know when we put the use the biscuit joiner that we put a cut in one side and it's exactly marked on the other side. On the biscuit joiner, it's got a little mark in the middle so that you know where the center is, and then we plunge it and insert some biscuits and away we go. So it's always a good idea to do the dry fit on pretty well anything you're gonna glue up, because sometimes it doesn't go as planned. Anybody that works with wood understands this very well. Sometimes it goes and sometimes it don't go. So it's really good. Do what you can to test it before you go. Now, you want to make sure you get coverage with the glue on all over the joint. Lots of glue to help make sure that it sticks together as you'd hope. And obviously the finger method is a little maybe not always suggested, but it works really well. So let's just continue doing what works. One more down here. Yeah, up here it's like. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Okay. At Buck Robertson Contracting, we do contracting with communication. So if you'd like your house built with communication, call us today. Bye for now.
Finest finger painting.
Yeah, this is my finest finger painting ever. So.
That's a lot of glue.
Am I crazy or is that a lot of gum?
It's a lot of gum!